Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is day 2 of HTML coding, where I'm learning to code a web page using HTML, and I'm sharing with you what I'm learning. So this is number day 2, and I'm gonna show you how to validate an HTML document. After you create the document, you wanna make sure the codes are correct and you don't have any problems or errors. So one of the ways that you can validate an HTML document is uploading it to validator.w3.org, and this is the website here, and it says validate by file upload. So what you do, you upload the file from your computer to this website. So I'm gonna do it right now. So it says choose file, and the file I created yesterday was hello.html. So I'm gonna upload it, and then it says there's a button for checking. Okay, this one here. So it says here check. Okay, after you upload your file, and you can see it here, that's you hit check, and once you hit check, the system will go through the codes and it's gonna return any issues. So in this case, it says document check and completed, no errors or warnings to show, which is good. It means your code complies with the HTML rules. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or any comments, please submit them in a link below, in the description below. And I'm gonna link to day 1, where I created the first HTML page, which is very simple, just a phrase. And this way you can go in sequence instead of starting after day 1. You can start from the first video. Thanks again, and I want to urge you to subscribe if you have any questions or comments or any concerns about how to create a web page from HTML. Thank you.